Alright, thank you for purchasing the team and welcome to my box break. I'm going to show you the serial number. There you go, NE 1812 13383. Try to show it on here in my backup in case one fails. Here we are, show you that it's never been tampered with, totally sealed up. Alright, thank you guys again for your purchase. Try to get this the best I can. There we are. Alright, box is empty. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 cards guaranteed. Alright, try this one. Feels like a good winner, a thick one, so good luck to all the teams. Also, if you want any base cards, your base cards, please contact me. It'll be a little bit of a shipping fee, but I would be happy to send them to you, otherwise I donate them. But here we go. Alright. Nothing tones. Alright, we got our first hit for New York Islanders, El Montoya. I think I said that right. But, see, does it have a serial number on here? Yes it does. There you go. 68 of 99. Great. We also have for the Calgary Flames, this guy I never heard of. Go Wild. There we are. This one also serial numbered. Doesn't look like it. But alright, we'll set that there. Then another base, Henrik Lundqvist. Alright, it was pretty good. Pretty good break right there. So far so good. See if we can do any better. Oh, this one feels even better. Hell yeah, we got something good in here. Alright, Florida Panthers, Casey Price. Oh, here we are for Ottawa Senators. Jared Chowan? Sorry. Alright, so Ottawa Senators goes home with a good one. Set that there. There's a spacer. Marian Gaborik. Alright, so we have Ottawa, Calgary, and New York so far with the only 3 hits. Miikka Kiprusoff, always like that name. Jeff Carter. Alright, here we are. And who is this? Calgary again? Yeah, Calgary. Wow, the 2 players that just got sent. Calgary's cleaning up the house. Miikka Kiprusoff and Jay Broster, or whatever his name is. So, good news for Calgary. Clear these up a little bit. Also, I will be doing another box break probably about this time next week, so please keep a lookout for that. Support the business. It's a lot of fun for me and hopefully fun for you guys too. Here we are, Dallas Stars. And here we are for the Boston Bruins, Nathan Horton. Pretty cool card. There we are, and same base card. Bummer. Alright, cool. And now we are down to our final pack, so I'm thinking this will be a pretty good one. Oh, sorry about that. Pavel Datsyuk, no autograph. Bummer. Henry Kane. Alright, here we go. We have rookie dual signatures. Cody Hoagson and Gabriel Lance something. I don't know. But anyways, this is going to go to player at the left or player at the top, as you can read in my description. So Vancouver gets this hit. Very, very nice card. Ranked 12 out of 50. Congratulations to Vancouver one more time. There we are. So we got a spacer and another base card. So thanks again. Hope you guys had fun. Yeah, if you guys have any requests for any cards, I have thousands of them. I'm kind of trying to get some new ones, get some ones that I really like. So yeah, please contact me. Thank you guys.